Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both apps. Install and sign into your chosen VPN and make sure Telegram is updated. Once done, enable the VPN kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Make sure you close Telegram before changing network settings to avoid leaks. You do this to guarantee all connections reopen under the VPN. Finally, pick a server location appropriate for access and latency. You want low ping and the right country routing. Now configure the VPN for Telegram specifically. First, pick a protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN if device compatibility matters. Next, choose a server country that allows Telegram or gives low latency and connect. Then enable app-based routing or split tunneling and add Telegram to the forced VPN list so only its traffic uses the tunnel, or invert that if you want all apps protected. You do this to reduce unnecessary. Finish by verifying Telegram works over the VPN. Open chats, send messages, and test a voice or video call to confirm media flows. If Telegram still struggles, switch to a different server or change the protocol, then clear Telegram cache and restart the app. If you suspect DNS leaks, enable secure DNS in the VPN settings or use a trusted DNS provider inside the VPN. If issues persist, temporarily disable the kill switch to diagnose, then re-enable it once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.